Hello viewers. Currently Flipkart's Diwali sale is running on. A good number of people actually wanted to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus during the sale, but currently the price of this tablet is very high. Currently it is selling at 34,000 rupees, and using SBI credit card you will get 7,000 discounts. So the effective price will be 27,000 for the 128GB Wi-Fi version. Now the question arises, should you buy this tablet at 27,000 rupees? The answer is no. Actually many people have bought this tablet in 21.5k. So why should you pay 27,000 rupees for this tablet? There is no doubt that this is a very good tablet with a bigger display, and also the note-taking experience on this tablet is very good, but it doesn't mean that you should pay a hefty amount to buy this tablet right now. Actually, the sellers of Flipkart are taking advantage of the sale. They know that a lot of users will not verify the price and they will end up buying this tablet at a very high price. So at this moment what you should do, either you can wait for another sale. The price may come down anytime. Not only the sales, normally the price sometimes fall down. If you badly need any tablet, you can buy other tablets like Oneplus Pad, or you can buy MI Pad 6 or even Tab S9 FE, but don't buy Tab S9 FE Plus at 27,000 rupees because this is very high in terms of pricing. If you want to get the best deals on Tab S9 FE Plus, please subscribe the channel. I will let you know whenever there is a deal on this tablet. I am quite sure that the price will definitely come down, though in this sale you cannot buy this tablet under 22,000 rupees. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought this tablet, and also the pricing at which you have bought this tablet. Or if you have any questions regarding this tablet, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become helpful to you. I will suggest you to buy other tablets also if you stay connected with this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.